Okay, regarding connection. So it's very important to understand for the girls what your arms should do. It's not easy to explain. I'll try to explain so people for camera can see, you can understand. So it's all about this joint here. So you have to feel when I pull you, like you, at the moment I pull you, like you squeeze something under your armpit, like it's like you have a little bit small bottle and you try to squeeze water out of it. So let's demonstrate. So if you stay here and I try to pull you, yes, you have to squeeze. So the action is here, squeezing something under. It feels a little tight, but for my, especially for jive purposes, is very important. Another thing is when I give you like that pushing feel, it has to be feel like on top of your shoulder, like here, like you lock it. So I'm pushing your spine, not your arm. So what will be incorrect? So you hold my arm like this. So we demonstrate for people. Let's stay here. So let's say if you want to shake me, do this, shake me, back and front, back and front. You see, you're only shaking my arm. Now, if I will connect to my shoulder here and you try to shake me, you see now you're shaking my whole body. But it is feel a little bit stiff, but yeah, but no spaghetti. So the same for you. So connect. So if I want to shake you, yeah, yeah. So it has to be connected. That arm has to be very, very connected. Very good. Yeah. So when, for example, we in our choreography, if we get here for your points, so do your points. So this arm, even though it's you cannot squeeze it now, you can still lock the joint. So I can actually, turn you, go ta 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 ta. So you see how I'm here now able to control you because you keep that in. Very good. Now, when I give you this arm, no spaghetti here. It has to be really connected because we're going to in, out. No, next one, next one. Next one. In, out, in, out, in, out. And especially see when I give you connection here, squeeze your armpit. Boom. So I can send you. Next one. For example, we get into this a basic. Very good. So you have to already connect that joint so much so I can manipulate your body. Walk, walk here. You see, I give you strong connection from my body, but your joint here should be very locked here. So then I'm able, you feel how I can turn you? Very good. And especially for this movement where we do those points, yes. So you have to imagine, because it's a lot of pulling, therefore you're gonna imagine like you squeeze something under your armpit. Especially when you feel stronger I pull you, stronger you squeeze that, yeah. And now we can really play, boom, 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 boom. So for connection, locking that joint, squeezing armpit to keep it locked to your spine is very important.